Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn a very basic topic in Microsoft Excel, that how you can add, subtract, multiply and divide you're given with the different values. So these are the arithmetic operations basically that I'm going to tell you how you can do them quickly. So here we have two columns of data, that is data A and data B, and we need to do 4 arithmetic operations, that is addition, subtraction, division and multiplication. So one thing that you have to keep in your mind, that only addition have the formula in Microsoft Excel, while the rest, subtraction, division and multiplication do not have any formula that you can use to do these operations. So we'll start with the addition. So what we have to do, whenever you need to apply a formula, you need to write the equality sign before applying any kind of formula. Then you have to add these two values. So you have two options. One is you can use the formula that is equals to sum and number 1. You have to add 2 numbers, 3 numbers, 4 numbers, doesn't matter. You just need to add those numbers. So first number is in this column, so I have selected this cell. And then the second number is in this cell, and so on. If you have 3 numbers, you can add further and so on. And keep this in mind, here you need not to insert any arithmetic symbol to add the 2 numbers, because it will just consider it as it is in terms of formula. So if I press enter, it will give me the addition of these 2 cells. Now if I want to apply this formula on the rest, I just need to drag it down and it will apply it on the rest of the cells as well. It means if you have hundreds or thousands of data, you can just find the addition of only 2 values, and then you can apply it on the rest of the data down the column. So this is how you can do addition. You can also do addition by using the plus sign. How? For example, if I apply here, as again I have to apply the formula, so I'll write equality, then I'll select this, then I have to the addition symbol and then the other value. So we need just simply, as we do in maths, that whenever you need to add the 2 things, you just add the corresponding operation symbol in between, arithmetic operation symbol in between. So here it's addition, so we have to insert the plus sign. So if I press enter, it will give you 121. So it means you have 2 options for addition. You can use the formula, you can use the arithmetic symbol, whatever you want. Then we move towards subtraction. Subtraction has no formula in Microsoft Excel, so you need to do it as you do in generally in mathematics. So how you can do that? By using the equality sign, then selecting the first number, then subtraction sign, and then the second number, selecting the second number and press enter. So it has subtracted B from A. We have got 13. So in order to apply this formula to the rest of the values as well, you just need to drag it down, and we can see that this is how you can do the subtraction in Microsoft Excel. Similarly for division, we don't have any formula for division as well. So what we have to do, we have to select first value divided by, we have to use this / symbol divided by the second value and then press enter. Similarly, if we want to apply to the rest of the values, we need to drag it down like this. And it depends on you how many digits you want in this want to have after the decimal. For that, you can go to the format cell option, then you go to the number, and you can select from here how many digits after the decimal or the decimal places you want in the given number. Just need to press OK. So here I have selected 2 decimal places, so this is how you can get the value by dividing them and then formatting them according to your need. Then we have the multiplication. Again, multiplication does not have any formula in the Microsoft Excel. What you have to do, you have to select the number, then asterisk from your keyboard and the other number. So this will give you the multiplication of these 2 numbers, and you can apply this formula on the rest of the cell again in a similar manner by dragging this plus sign down, and it will apply this formula on all of the cells down below. So this is how you can add, subtract, divide and multiply 2 numbers in Microsoft Excel. So that's all from today's lecture. Thank you.